This is the candle that never goes out and leaves your home scented for a long time. Learn how to make an infinity candle. In today's video, you'll learn how to make this homemade candle which, as well as decorating your home, will leave it super fragrant. To make it, you'll need a lemon, cut into slices and cut neither too thin nor too thick. You'll also need a glass container. You can use those canning jars. That's what we'll need. Now we're going to use coarse salt, and there's no right amount. You can add about 2 fingers of coarse salt. After adding the salt, we'll add the lemons we've cut, and you can place them like this. We'll position them like this because we need to leave space for the water. And as I said, there's no right amount. It will depend on the size of the pot you're going to make the candle in. But you're going to add the water leaving a space of about 2 fingers. Because we're also going to add more things. The other ingredient we're going to add is cloves. As well as being very fragrant, cloves also help to scare away insects, especially mosquitoes. If you prefer, you can also add cinnamon, but here I'm using ingredients I already had in my house. Next, I'll add a little eucalyptus essence. This will enhance the citrus scent of our candle, making it smell even better. You can find this essence in pharmacies or health food shops. And finally, we'll top up with cooking oil. This will be our fuel, and as the oil doesn't mix with the water, it will stay on top. Just what we need. Once that's done, we'll need these disposable cups. I think everyone has leftovers from birthdays or celebrations at home, and using scissors, we'll cut out the bottom, as we'll only need the bottom part. Once you've cut out the bottom, just make a hole in the middle, as this is where we're going to put the wick of our candle, which here I'm going to use string from a traditional candle. You can either melt it or cut it. I prefer to cut it as it's easier to do and takes less work. Now all you have to do is thread the string through the hole we've made and place it in our container. And our homemade candle is ready. Just light it and then put it in any room in your house. You can even use it for a special dinner as it looks very pretty. It will last for hours and hours with a great smell, and whenever you want to use it, just add more oil. You can even use used oil, which works just as well. So that was our tip for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Cheers and see you in the next video.